main tunnel with spooky music. Quite nice walking around when the place is completely deserted. There must be at least 20 or 30 butchers here. You can't even find a butcher at home when you want one. This is our first morning in Zagreb. Just out for a morning walk around the block. Got to quite a big, nice, square, busy place. This is one of the original city's old stone gates, built in 1266. Was a gate to an old fortress, I think. Beautiful roof.
In my arms, she is standing right in front of me. Let it be. Thank you. Voila.
To our left is the funicular. Takes you up the hill a little way. Just walking back down the steps. We're trying to find our way to this tunnel. This is not it. Might have to consult the map. This doesn't look right. Okay, lots of steps, but hopefully at the top there's a road to the tunnel. We'll find out. Yeah, this doesn't look at all dodgy. I don't think this is the right way. A locked gate. It doesn't look like it's been open for a very long time, even though it's got a pedestrian on it. We walked past this building going, oh gee, that's nicely decorated. Did we see the tunnel? No. Well, if it wasn't hot enough already, it's really hot now. This is a tunnel that was used during World War II for some purposes. Might need to do a little bit of research, and if we find out I'll mention it. Nice and cool in here. Very echoey. Ooh, there's someone following me.
Hear my footsteps?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Okay, we have no idea what's going on in here. Looks like they're erecting TV screens. I think it's a work in progress. Oh no, that one might be done. This is the side entrance to the tunnel. Side tunnel. Main tunnel with spooky music. Doesn't help that they got spooky music.
Yeah.
Another side tunnel. Cool. And there's an exit. Sounds like civilization. We've come to see the big market, but we wondered why there was no traffic. It's a public holiday. But that's okay, it's nice and quiet. We'll come back tomorrow. Just starting to get to the Zagreb Old Town area. Well, I think they call it Upper Town. Quite nice walking around when the place is completely deserted. No public holiday today, so the market's open. This must be the flower section. So there's a lower indoor part of the market, and then upstairs there's an outdoor market with umbrellas, which we haven't been up to yet. This doesn't look as pricey as the one in Budapest, but we'll check the prices in a minute. This just looks like a great place for people to come and buy stuff. Meat, veggies, bread. There must be at least 20 or 30 butchers here. You can't even find a butcher at home when you want one. More down there. Oh, the bakery. It smells good. We've got somewhere else to go first, but then we're going to come back and buy some stuff. It's a hive of activity. A nice inner city park. Certainly so far impression is a city of contrasts. You get this kind of place and then streets and streets of graffiti. Looks like they're setting up for a concert here. Might need to check our calendar.